morning, everyone. We are here in beautiful Paris, France, and it is very, very foggy. You can barely see the Eiffel Tower this morning, but we are going to pack up. We are heading to one, possibly two new countries today. We're heading north, and we're really excited. So we have this hotel. We had some trouble with the hotel yesterday, but wonderful lady really stepped in and offered us this room, which ended up being a suite with a balcony. So that just worked out perfect. It's really hard to find spots to get the drone up, so having a balcony is really, really helpful to kind of stay a little bit more discreet in these cities. So we're gonna pack up, and huge shout out to Hotel Kepler here in Paris. Really helped us out last night. Gave us a wonderful deal on breakfast, and saved us at least $200 or $300. So huge shout out to the staff here. Thank you guys so much, and we're gonna get on with our drive and our day, and we'll see a little bit more of Paris on the way out. This is just a really quick trip, so we're not gonna go into depth. There's so much to see in Paris, but we're not gonna be able to see all of it, just some of the highlights. So on to the rest of the day, the journey. Here we go. We're all checked out of the room. Well, we're out of the room, and yeah, onward we go. So we're just here in a park in Paris. We had a little bit of trouble with this hotel, Maison FL. Somehow the travel agency got the reservation booked for the wrong date, or it switched it on me. I didn't see it, so just trying to get a refund. They're not really cooperating, so we're probably gonna have to dispute that. 750 euro, which is a very expensive room. So we are gonna probably get out of Paris now, just doing a little exploring. We're probably gonna drive by a couple more sites, and then we're gonna be just be out of the city now. And yeah, Paris has been interesting, but probably not our favorite city. Not the greatest experience, but it hasn't been horribly bad. They just didn't seem to work with us on the hotel, but that's not Paris's fault. Driving around, seeing some of the sights, and we have seen the Eiffel Tower again, and we are right below the Eiffel Tower. We've never actually been this close to the Eiffel Tower, so that's really cool. It's just like right there. I didn't even know you could drive this close to it, so that's super cool. Having a little bit of a struggle here trying to find gas or getting to the gas station, because there's just lots of crazy traffic. Probably one of the crazier cities we've ever driven in. But yeah, hopefully we're gonna find a gas station, but even like 2 kilometers said it's like over 10 minutes away, so hopefully we can get some gas before we run out. We have 30 kilometers on the tank and only have to go 2, but we went to one gas station that said it didn't have diesel like at any of the pumps, and this car is diesel, so we obviously have to have diesel. So we'll try to figure this out.
Turn right to stay on Rue d'Aubervilliers.
It's 1:22 p.m. and we finally got gas, but we're still trying to get out of this city. Trying to get out of the city still. We're going to the small nation of Luxembourg, but very hard to get out of the city. So much traffic, and who knows what time we're gonna get into Luxembourg. We're trying to find a bathroom, but it doesn't look like we can find one, so
Yeah, we'll find one on the way.
yeah, we're trying to just get out of Paris. Paris is absolutely insane traffic. Probably the worst traffic I've ever seen in my life. Close to India. Almost as bad as India.
I don't know
Alright, so we finally made it out of Paris, which was, I have a very bad headache just trying to get out of Paris. That was an absolute disaster. But we did make it out. It's 2 o'clock and we have about 3 hours to get to Luxembourg. We were not planning on spending the night in Luxembourg, but we may or may not. We'll see. Looks like arrival right now is getting in at 5 p.m. Or we could push on another 2.5 hours after that and go to Brussels, but I don't know if we want to drive that long today. So we're gonna see what we feel like. We're out in the French countryside, which looks to be a nice break from the crazy Parisian traffic. And yeah, I don't know. We didn't see as much like the Louvre or the Mona Lisa or anything in Paris. It looked like all the times are booked. But Paris was probably one of our least favorite destinations we've visited so far, just based off of the chaos and everything there. Just wanted to give you guys an update. We're driving through very, very green, beautiful fields out here. So we're in Riems, France. We're about halfway to Luxembourg. I think we decided we're going to stay the night in Luxembourg. We are here in Riems attempting to find some food. France has been a difficult country because we speak like 2 words of French. So bonjour, merci,
and au revoir.
Oui, oui.
Non.
Non. Yeah, it's French is not our strong point. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna hopefully find some food and maybe give you a little bit of a tour here around Riems, I guess. So today's been a crazy day, just trying to figure out all the hotel stuff, and then gonna find a hotel for us here in Luxembourg. And we're on quite an adventure today. But the good thing about that is we only have about a 3.5 hour drive today.
Expensive. So because it's expensive.
We've got some food here. We got some food from, yeah, she got bubble tea. She's addicted here to bubble tea. So yeah, the experience in Riems here, I think that's how you say it, Riems, has been very, very positive. Everyone's very, very nice. And yeah, we had some amazing tacos and burritos, and then we got some Thai food for Jocelyn. So yeah, overall, really, really cool experience here so far. Let's hope that the car didn't get towed back there because we just parked in front of a hotel. That's a little tip right there. Just park in front of a hotel. Looks like you're checking into your room, but you're actually out getting food. So yeah, really cool. They have this really cool statue right here. So yeah, leaving France with a pretty positive, on a positive note after this experience. Yeah. French people can be very, very nice, and yeah, we like Riems. I think we'd stop here again.
I think it's just Paris is hard in general.
Paris is a very hard city. So many people, it's just very crowded. It's, here, watch out. Very, very hard. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the car, we're gonna eat this and get on the road. I think about 2 hours to Luxembourg. Made a little stop here on the side of the road. I think we're about 45 minutes outside from Luxembourg. The sun has set, so it is getting dark. We are so excited to be exploring a new country this evening. And then we were gonna maybe continue on to somewhere else, but we are gonna just stop in Luxembourg. And apparently that's the richest country in the world. So let's go, let's get to Luxembourg. Have now officially made it to Luxembourg, our 12th country on the trip. How does it feel, everybody?
It's great. Oh my gosh. Great.
Yeah, we're so excited. And looks like, does that mean no speed limit? No speed limit in Luxembourg?
Maybe?
Is that right? Oh, no, there's a speed limit. It looked like there was like a autobound sign. I think that means no speed limit. So we're gonna find a hotel here in Luxembourg and learn more about it. We'll tell you when we learn and try to figure out a place that we can stay, I guess. So we've officially made it to Luxembourg and just trying to check out some hotels. There's one that was right back here kind of by the airport, I think. I don't know if that's the airport. It was more in an industrial area and we don't really want to stay there. So we're heading into the city center, which is 2 miles away, and hopefully it's going to be kind of near the old town. I don't know really what to expect with the Luxembourg. It's maybe not going to be the most interesting country, but it also may be the most interesting country. We're going to see. Maybe we'll find a little roller skating rink or something interesting here. There's a lot more of a population. Christian was reading off that there's 650,000-ish people that live in this country. It's a lot of more of a French influence, but we're also very close to Germany. So yeah, we don't know what to expect. We're in here pretty early, so now we're just gonna find a hotel in city center, and then we'll probably do a little bit of exploring. Up there, I think. We're just coming into downtown
They're
Luxembourg.
celebrating for 2023.
Whoa, that looks amazing. So we've got checked into the Novotel here in Luxembourg. We found a place to park the car, and I think we're gonna go explore the city, although it looks like it's raining. So we were planning on exploring the city by scooter. So we're gonna have to see if it stops raining, it's a little wet, I don't know. We're gonna have to see how that all works out, whether that's something that we want to do or not. We're out here and it is raining. We're trying to find a scooter, but we can't find a scooter, so we might end up taking these bikes. It looks like it's just right across the bridge over here to the city center, so we're kind of in the city center, but not like in the center of it. So hoping to get over there to the Christmas market, then find some food over there and kind of just explore. Luxembourg's really, really cool. Really cool architecture around here. So we're kind of trying to figure out how to use one of these bikes. It looks like scooters may be banned in the city center. I know we saw some when we were coming in, but I think that was in like technically a little different city. I don't think they want them in downtown. So that may or may not be true. We'll see. It's really, really raining pretty hard on us. So I think we're gonna try to grab a bike, hopefully two, and then we can get into the Christmas market. So we finally figured out how to get these bikes, and we're gonna head into the city center. It only took like 45 minutes for me to create an account and get Wi-Fi and create an account and do all this stuff. So hopefully we're gonna get into town now. So that bike was almost worthless, and we made it to the fair, and it's like so pretty. So we're gonna check this out now. Just ornaments. We realized that the restaurants are going to start closing soon, so we're going to look for some food first, and then we're going to probably go back to the market. No idea how late any of this stuff's open. It's really hard to film because it's so wet, so rainy. But we're doing our best here. Huh?
Where do you get that?
Somehow we ordered vinegar ice cream, huh? I don't know how.
That's not me, that's real.
I thought this was bread, but we got like a bunch of ice cream on some very strange.
It's like actual tomato sauce with like a slightly stinky cheese and vinegar ice cream. Look how fancy mine looks.
Yours is very fancy. It took a long time, but we finally got our food.
Yeah, but it's like people were getting it before us.
Yeah, so we're gonna eat this and just relax. We're so tired.
Mine looks so not tasty. It looks so smooth.
Yeah, compared to all this food. We got a lot of food. We're so tired though. I'm exhausted, so
We got more fries than pasta.
we deserve some food here. Lots of driving on the trip. I think we've driven so far about 30 hours, so that's a lot of driving.
Really? 30 hours?
Yeah, and I've driven like 28 of the 30, so.
Okay. Well, bon appetit.
Yeah, when in Luxembourg. So we got like a really, really strange meal. Like nothing was like what we like told them we wanted.
I got a raw steak.
Yeah, it was like really weird. So we have a bag of food because they said like do not like it. So we put a lot of the food in the bag and now we're throwing it away. It's okay. So yeah, we're gonna head back. I think the Christmas market is probably closed now, but decent. I don't know. It's really expensive, like 70 bucks, but which actually isn't that bad. But yeah, we're gonna head back. I don't know if we're riding the, we're foggy, blur there. I don't know if we're riding the bikes or if we're just walking, but still raining quite a bit. Loving Luxembourg though. Really cute, really cool place, and seems a little bit too fancy, too sophisticated for us. But
Yeah, I was like, how am I supposed to eat this?
yeah, this is an interesting place though. So yeah, we're gonna make it back to the hotel now, I think. This is so pretty. Here's the old town. How's your bike?
Great. I'm getting face smacked with water.
Oh, it's so wet out here. We're out on these city bikes trying to get back in. I don't think it's not called city, it's called Velo. And it's raining so hard out here, but I'm not gonna take the camera out. But yeah, Luxembourg's beautiful. We're riding. So wet. It's miserable, but also fun. There's a little bit of a Christmas market. So beautiful here in Luxembourg, but very, very wet. I think the wettest country we've been in at night. We got off the bikes now. We are gonna sign off. We don't have a whole lot of battery life left here. So from your favorite Filipino American family, we are gonna say peace here from Luxembourg. See you tomorrow in the next video on our next adventure.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.